Understanding the phrase, "You've got my back." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a popular English expression, "You've got my back." It's a phrase you might hear in movies, TV shows, or even in casual conversations. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you. "You've got my back" is an expression that means someone is there to support you, especially in difficult situations. It implies that the person is ready to help and protect you, making sure you are safe or not harmed. This phrase can be used in both personal and professional contexts, symbolizing trust and reliability between individuals. The phrase, "You've got my back," comes from the idea of having someone watch over the part of your body you cannot easily see yourself, your back. This has military origins, where soldiers needed to trust their comrades to cover them from unseen dangers. Over time, it has evolved into a metaphor for support and loyalty in various aspects of life. Using "You've got my back" in conversation shows deep appreciation for someone's support. You can say it to a friend who's always there for you, a colleague who supports your ideas at work, or anyone who acts as a protector or a helper. It's a way to acknowledge their role in your life positively. Examples: "Thanks for sticking up for me. I knew you had my back. Don't worry about the meeting. I've got your back if anyone questions your proposal." There are several other expressions that convey the same or similar meanings. These include, "I've got your six," also from a military background, referring to the 6 o'clock position, or directly behind you. "Standing by your side" signifies loyalty and companionship. "In your corner" suggests someone is ready to defend or support you, especially in a conflict or challenge. Understanding the phrase, "You've got my back," enriches your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the depth of relationships. It's more than just words. It's about trust, loyalty, and support. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the emotions and stories behind phrases. Thank you for watching, and we've got your back on your language learning journey.